afternoon, good evening to all of us. And today we're going to make loquat and banana smoothie. But before that, we need first to peel the loquat and remove the seeds inside because there is seeds. There is seeds inside. So we need to peel first this one. Bago natin i-blend. This is yummy. The first time I eat this kind of fruit is when I was in Lebanon. Sweet and yummy. Before, I don't know the name of this one, but when I came here in Taiwan, I noticed that this is Loquat, Japanese plum. Okay. See? The smell is good, really. This is the seeds of this. See? Oh. The seeds. Two seeds. About this, how many seeds? Only one. Okay, the other one. Okay. Wow. Yummy. Okay, done. So next, going to cut the banana. The banana like this. You need a chopping board. Two bananas. Okay, done. So this time we're going to put the fruits in the blender. Yeah. And a glass of water. And then sa akin yung mahaba, of course, because you know na, 'di ba? Alam niyo na kung bakit sa akin mahaba. No. Ayan, titikman na natin mga kaberde ang ginawa kong smoothie na from loquat and banana. No sugar, just only plain fruits. So, let's drink. Wow, ang sarap. Sweet and yummy. Sweet and yummy, not sweet. Sarap. Lalo na kapag mainit ang panahon, then you will put ice cube here. Really. Sarap. Sabi ng alaga ko, how her. Sabi niya, sarap daw. Masarap inumin. The taste is good. If you want to try this, then do it. Just only loquat and banana, and you have a healthy and sweet, yummy smoothie. Diba? You know. This is my breakfast, and I'm full. Enough for my stomach, because my stomach is small, not so big. So this is enough. A long glass. Ang siksi pa nga ng baso eh. Hindi siya mataba. Kaso nga lang mahaba. Oh. Yummy, yummy and sweet. So guys, again, I'm here to say thank you to all of you guys for watching my videos, for the legit and the organic friend. Thank you again. Thank you so much. And shout out to all of you there. I will not mention a name. As long as you know that you are always watching my videos, you're one of them. And hope you enjoy watching my smoothie. And again, have a nice day. And please don't forget to like. And if you have some suggestion, just comment down below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to notify you for more smoothie. By the way, my vlog is random mix vlog. So, any kind of video I post on my channel. As long as a good video. Thank you. God bless. And enjoy your smoothie again. Babush!